Hey guys, this is Carlos from our journey on Pico Island. I'm just taking a quick moment here before getting back to our island vacation rental to remind everyone that our workshop is fast approaching. Our early booking discount is February 28th and the workshop is May 12th to May 22nd. Now, for those of you that don't know a lot about this workshop, it's called Azores Portugal Workshop, and it's from May 12th to May 22nd. It takes place on location in the Azores, and it's perfect for those of you that are considering retiring, semi-retiring, working remotely, or just basically buying a vacation home. If you are one of those that are considering the Azores or making a move to the Azores, then this workshop, I think, would be very good for you. We're going to bring in professionals such as real estate agents, banker, a lawyer that deals with real estate transactions, notary, government official, for example, that deals with D7 visas. We're going to bring in even some expats, people that are already doing this, that have done this. This way they can pass on their experience, their story over to you. So we just feel that by combining all this information, these experiences, you're going to get best information possible. By spending time with us, the expats and the professionals during the workshop will allow you to gather all this information, analyze it, and at the end of the day, you will be able to make the right decision for you. We believe that our workshop is the perfect vehicle for you to do your due diligence. And for those of you that have already booked to come and see us and be part of this amazing workshop, welcome. And someone's at the door. I think that's the guy putting in the kitchen in our rental. All right, see you on Pico.